So for today, I'm going to teach you how to buy Shib or Shiba Inu coin on your Coinbase wallet. So basically, you need to open your Coinbase wallet on your device, and after you open your Coinbase wallet, you need to link in your existing wallet or even logging in on your account and just simply click on the buy button, which is located on your main dashboard at the leftmost of your screen. And after that, you were going to change the network based on your preference, but Shiba Inu supports Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain network. So for example, in Ethereum based, we will just going to click or change the network into ETH or Ethereum and make sure that you buy the Shib or Shiba Inu coin. So just simply use the search bar to search for the Shiba Inu. And after selecting the coin you wanted to buy, just simply tender the amount you wanted to purchase of the Shiba Inu coin. And after tendering an amount, you will now proceed to the payment method, which is by clicking the pay with, you will see bunch of options that you can use to pay for your Shiba Inu coin. So here are the list of all the providers that you can use for your payment. So after that, you just going to click the continue to payment for you to able to process your Shiba Inu coin on your Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.